Hey everybody, it's John with Leviton National Accounts, and today I want to introduce you to a value-focused product out of Anaheim, the Fundamentals LC4 Downlight. Like any of our videos, it will hit aesthetic, performance, and price. So let's take a look at what makes this fixture special. To kick it off, let's point out the most important part about this fixture. The LC4 Downlight is based on a single J-box style housing that meets both airtight and IC, and although it's not red, it meets 2-hour fire requirements. The LC4 provides both 110 volt and full phase dimming and comes in a universal 120 and 277 volt and can be ordered in a concrete pour option. However, it's not just a one-trick pony. There are actually two different housings to consider when looking at this fixture family: the LC4 and the LC4F. The LC4F adds this little flat frame here, and although it loses its fire rating, it opens up possibilities for premium dimming options in this housing here and an emergency backup as well, and a bump in lumens to go with it as well. The LC4 and the LC4F accept a variety of architectural grade cast aluminum trims, including round, square, and a gimbally adjustable round version. They're available in a high quality powder coat white, black, and satin nickel finishes, as well as a non-conductive option in white. Across the board, the LC4 and the LC4F range from 600 to 1300 lumens and are available in 2700, 3000, and 3500 Kelvin, all with a standard 92 CRI. And as you can see, the fixture is basic and foreign, but it really doesn't make any aesthetic sacrifices. It's just the right amount of quality for the right price. And speaking of price, this fixture is right in line with market pricing. We keep high levels of this fixture on hand, making it available when you need it. And that being said, when you're considering large installs like multifamily residences, we certainly appreciate the heads up so nothing holds you up. Personally, I like to say that the LC4 and the LC4F are a value-optimized lighting solution. That's the perfect solution for both light commercial and multi-family residential applications. If you'd like a sample or to learn more, please let me know or reach out to your Leviton representative as you are able. Thanks for joining us today as we look to solve problems with better solutions, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.